Claim. Viral post on Bihar election claims poll schedule begins from 21st October. Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. As Bihar's Chief Electoral Officer announced the schedule for an intensive revision of electoral lists all over the state in preparation for the state assembly elections later this year, some posts have gone viral claiming that the schedule for elections has already been announced. See the post being shared widely on Twitter here in Hindi. The post claims that polling in Bihar will be conducted in 6 phases, from 21st October to 20th November 2025, and that the results will be announced on 24th November. The English translation reads, Election dates announced for the Bihar Assembly Hush Bihar Election 2025, First phase 21st October, Second phase 24th October, Third phase 28th October, Fourth phase 1st November, Fifth phase 9th November, Sixth phase 20th November, and the election results will be declared on 24th November. Here is another claim in brief, stating that the Election Commission has announced the polling dates for the 2025 Bihar Assembly elections from 21st October to 24th November, ending with the counting. These social media posts can be accessed here and here. Fact check. Truth, misrepresentation. No announcement of Bihar Assembly election dates has been made as of 3rd July 2025. Fact check details. After receiving requests on the authenticity of the post, Digit India team took it up and searched for official notification on Press Information Bureau's press releases. As no such release was found, we quickly searched for relevant information on social media and found that the Bihar Chief Electoral Officer has not shared any such details. Translated, the post reads, debunking the fake news, the claim circulating on various social media platforms that the Bihar Assembly elections will be held in 6 phases between 21st October and 20th November, with vote counting on 24th November, is completely misleading and false. Similar claims have been debunked by Digit India in the past year. In fact, the Election Commission of India issues the notification for any state assembly elections well in advance, and usual news coverage follows. In the case of Bihar, still the enumeration process is going on, and there is no announcement of the election schedule, as claimed. Hence, the claim that the poll schedule for Bihar Assembly elections has been declared is false. Claim, polling dates for Bihar Assembly elections 2025 announced in 6 phases, with 24th November as the counting day. Conclusion, misrepresentation. No announcement of Bihar Assembly election dates has been made as of 3rd July 2025. Rating, misrepresentation. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.